Okay, so for this one, they're asking for the moments at section D, right? So this part, so for influence line diagrams, you always have to like do it for like whatever section they're asking for. In the assignment, it would be like, oh, like section B, like something in the beginning. So that's why it's kind of different for this one. And so I do it my way. So what I do is I use my formula, M equals LP1 minus LP over L. I just memorized that. And my LP is, we're looking at section D, right? So this section, LP is just 2. 1 minus 2, L is 6. And so my M would be 4 over 3 at D. And so I can draw this. If I start here and here, just gonna like do my points A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, C, D, E, F. Then I know it's 4 over 3 at D. Which, and I have to go down because positive is below. So that's 4 over 3. And we have a support here. So C and E have to be 0. So there's that. At D, we just calculated that. That was 4 over 3. And from here, I just use geometry. Let me show you how. So yeah, get your distances because you need that. So 3 meters, 3 meters, 2 meters, 4 meters, and 3 meters. Okay, so now I need to find like points here to like connect the lines, right? Okay, for this part, 2 and 4 over 3, I'm gonna try to do this part. So I'm gonna use similar triangles. So 4 over 3, when it's 2 meters, I need to see what it is here, right? I want to see that number. So X is what I'm looking for, the influence like number, and the distance is 3. So I put that. And I solve for X. Let's see what it is. 4 over 3 times 3 divided by 2, which is 2. So that's how they got the 2 up here. So you just, do your shapes. A, the support has to end. So that's why this is 2. And now we need to figure out what's on this side. So for this side, we use the 4 meters and the 4 over 3 and do similar triangles again. So we know that when it's 4 over 3, our distance is 4 meters this time. We're trying to find what it is at F, because F, there's no support, so it doesn't end at 0, right? It has to be like, something up here. So X over this distance, which is 3. Then I solve for X, so 4 over 3 times 3 divided by 4, which is 1. And so I get 1 here. This is 1, and then I just, drag the line over. So that's how I got my value. So you start with this by using the equation. That's how I do it, and it always works for me. Similar triangles for these two, and then just connect the lines. Look at where you have supports. Has to be 0 there. And yeah.